Hi guys, and welcome to another Watch Geek video. So today we're gonna try to experiment with bronze, with cleaning it and creating the forced patina, as they like to call it. Now this is a bronze Sacred Crafts watch that's been with me for a couple of weeks, in which time I wore it and did the full review, and it has a naturally developed patina. We'll zoom in to see what I mean by that, because bronze is a living material. Unlike steel, or iron that corrodes, this develops an oxidation layer that gives it this weird color, sometimes going to green, sometimes to dark brown, and all that. So it depends on where you wear it, on how you wear it. So each bronze watch is gonna be unique to its owner when it comes to patina. There are ways to accelerate this, but there's nothing more beautiful than naturally occurring patina as you wear the watch. However, after some time you might feel like you want your watch to look pristine, and there are ways of cleaning your watch. Usually involves any type of acid, including lemon juice and such. But apparently vinegar, just your household vinegar, is the best at doing this job. So I've prepared 2 bowls. This is water to rinse the watch after we drop it into the vinegar solution. And this is just pure vinegar. Maybe I would use a 1-to-1 ratio with water, but this is a dive watch, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be okay. I also have my toothbrush that I use for cleaning watches in case I have to rub it, but apparently as soon as you drop it, the oxidation removal is gonna start, and within a minute or two the watch should be pretty brand spanking new. And I have a cloth to clean it. Later on maybe I'll show you how to create or how to accelerate the patina if you don't want to wear your watch for a couple of weeks, where you can do it in a matter of minutes, or let's say half an hour. But like I said, the most beautiful way of getting patina is to simply wear it. Okay, so let's do the experiment and try to submerge this into the vinegar and see what happens. So we'll wait for the seconds hand to come to a full marker. In this case it's gonna be the 20-second mark, and then we're gonna check how it looks after a minute. Okay, so I just dropped it. Let's zoom in and see if something happens. Okay, so it's been a minute. Let's take our watch out to see if it has affected the patina, and I can see it already has, especially in these grooves and on the edges. So let's do another minute, and then we're gonna brush it and wash it. Maybe another 2 minutes. Okay, so the watch has been in there for a total of 3 minutes. Let's now brush it with the toothbrush just a bit. Then we're gonna rinse it in water and see if we got any decent results. But I can already see that the results have been happening. Okay, put it in water. And there. Let's dry it off and see if it looks any more pristine than it used to. Let me just wipe it off. And here we go. Okay, so let's zoom in and see how it looks, and I'm gonna put those before shots so you can compare it by yourself. But I believe this was a success. Now I would maybe do it a bit different by actually scrubbing it in the vinegar for a longer time, but even like this it looks pretty cool, because here we had some green mold forming, or the green oxidation, and as you can see it's completely gone now. And now the watch looks pristine. Very cool. So this has definitely worked. And I have an idea. I have the bracelet here, so I'll just bring in the bracelet so we can compare the old material with the new. So this one has been cleaned, the bracelet hasn't been cleaned. So once we put them side by side, maybe you'll be able to tell the difference. I'll be back in just a second. Okay, so I'm back with the bracelet. So this is the watch and this is the bracelet, and I believe you can see the difference. Look. So as you can see, the bracelet is much darker than the watch. Pretty cool. Completely different color, although they used to be the same because the watch has been cleaned. Look at the lug compared to the link of the bracelet. Very cool. So this is probably the easiest way of cleaning your bronze watch. Now if you don't have a diver watch, if it's something more sensitive, I would simply use, I don't know, a piece of cloth that I would soak in vinegar and then just slightly rub it on the bronze watch until I clean it. But look at the difference. Wow. Amazing. So this definitely works. Now we'll see if I'm gonna make a video on how to force the patina back, because now we got it cleaned, and we'll see if we do it the other way around. Now maybe I'll put in a video after I clean the bracelet. I still don't know if I'm gonna do it because this bracelet also has wooden parts, so I'm kind of scared it might damage the wood paint, but we'll see. Anyways, that's it when it comes to this video. Definitely the fastest method of cleaning bronze watches. If you're unsure or if you're afraid of the vinegar being aggressive, you can use lemon juice mixed with water. It's gonna form the same results. It's just gonna take slightly longer, but very cool, and it does make the watch look brand spanking new. Of course, within weeks this is also gonna darken again, creating a protective layer for the bronze. Very cool. Anyways, that's it. So thank you for watching. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.